Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to copy photo or pictures on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the gallery app. Then locate the photo you want to copy. Click on it once. To copy the photo, just go ahead, press and hold the photo. Then it should say copy, share, save as sticker. Click on copy. Now, once you copy the photo, you should say copy to clipboard. Then go to where you want to paste the photo. In this case, let's say I want to paste the photo on WhatsApp. Go ahead and paste the photo like this. Then you can send a sticker, add to sticker pack, edit, or edit as photo. So to edit as photo, just go ahead and choose edit as photo and then send it. This is going to send this as photo to any place or to any application you send this to, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to copy and paste photo or pictures on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.